Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Widgetable application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the More section, look for the Notification button and click on that. And as you can see, these are the notifications that you can set. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want to enable. And once they turn green, it means that they are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.